Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility, age limits, course type, and institute recognition. This matters because only approved courses qualify. Once done, assemble required documents: student ID, institute certificate with enrollment dates, photo ID and a passport photo, and keep scanned copies ready. Then log into your Irctc account, open the passenger menu, and choose Student Concession to start the application. This first step creates a record that ties your concession to your profile for future bookings. You now fill the online concession form carefully. Enter personal data, course start and end dates, institute name exactly as on records, and address. As you upload scanned documents, make sure images are legible and follow file size limits so verification doesn't fail. Once submitted, the application routes to your institute for verification. You'll get a verification ID. Note it. This verification step is critical because Irctc won't allow concession bookings until the institute approves your application. You finish by booking a ticket. Choose passengers, select concession as passenger type, and pick the approved student concession from your profile so the fare adjusts. Make payment for the remaining balance and download the concession certificate, or keep a screenshot. Ticket checking requires proof. If your application is rejected, check the institute name and dates for typos, resubmit corrected documents, and follow up with the institute or Irctc help desk. Doing this quickly avoids last-minute travel denial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.